Last time on Non-Fictional Science Fiction.
Oh man, we should have just done the Mayo episode. Hello? 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 Oh, fractal fusion. I definitely just deleted the universe. No, can't delete nothing. Well, might as well. Doomed anyway. Oh, hey, Zord. Welcome to Non-Fictional Science Fiction. What do you mean? It's supposed to look like this. Oh, excuse me, Zord. Thinking you're all-powerful with your omnidimensional abilities? I bet you couldn't even repair reality if you wanted to. No, I'm not going to give you my temporal hand cannon. Hey, you can't do that. Ugh. Oh, Non-Fictional Science Fiction Season 2. Guess I gotta recast this thing. Alright, so for the first candidate we got Jarf. Oh, hello, Jeff, and welcome to Non-Functional Science Fiction. I'm Jarf. Alright, hold on. First off, how did you get here? And why? Well, you see, traveling through dimensions is a lot like... And before you even get started, don't say anything about Mayo. Well, you see, you think of it like a spoon, right? And, well, traveling through universes is a lot like Mayo, right? Like, think of the universe as, well, the outside of the universe is like the jar, and we're like the mayo on the inside. So think about how easy it would be just to take some mayo from one jar and it would just come right out, right? You see the mayo right here. This would be like us, and then we'd put it right into the other jar here, and that's how I got here. So what do you think? Do I got the job? No, please. All right, who's next? Oh, Zort. Yeah, no, you're definitely hired. So who do we have next? All right, Mr. Greenmanson. You really put on a few pounds.
Yeah, I had to. It's called Cultivating Mass. I'm the last of the Green Mans.
Right, you did mention that here. Wasn't my fault, by the way. So, tell me a little bit about yourself.
Well, after the greenicide, I was lost. I had nowhere to go except down. So I looked inward, or one would say greenward, and last thing I knew, I was all alone again. So if it wasn't for your show, I would be green with envy.
All right. So do you have any other jobs, any other qualifications for this?
None. I'm Green Man, and it's really hard to find work that isn't green.
All right, Mr. Greenman. Everything seems good here, but I just have one more question for you. How many objects can you hold up at once? Yeah, you're hired.
Hey, Jeff.
Oh, thank Tesla! A new face! Have a seat, sir.
Jeff, really? So you don't remember me? I'm a new face?
Yeah, did you submit a resume?
No, I'm Carlton. You know, Carlos Carlson?
Oh, you emailed it to me.
No, I definitely didn't do that. I've been here the whole time.
I'm sorry, I don't remember you. Were you an intern or something?
No, I'm the guy who does all the other things that you don't do, that you think your other assistant does.
What do you mean? My assistant does everything.
No, it's been me the entire time. You don't remember when I fixed your stupid interphasic science box? Oh, great, look, another problem with the stupid science box. You won't even remember I even fixed this. Whatever, man. Let me see if I can get my hands on this and just...
Hey, Kyle.
Or when I got electrocuted trying to tune your quantum vaporization crystal? Assistant, please fix. What does this need?
Hey, Sherrington?
How about that time you went on vacation and I almost died trying to fight off all those Grell snobs? Finally, time for lunch. What is that?
Oh, thanks for saving me, Charlemagne.
Listen, Kenny, I am so sorry. Let me make this up to you. Let me hire you back. I'm gonna double your pay, and I'm gonna give you my prize cactus.
All right, look, man. First off, my name is Carlton Carlos Carlson, okay? Second off, I got you with this cactus after you got your weird implant beard surgery and you were recovering for 3 months. All right, man, whatever, man. Matter of fact, I'm taking the cactus back.
Hey!
All right, last interview. We have Mr. Doesn't even matter. What are your qualifications?
It's all right here in my resume. Mm-hmm. Hey, Mr. Jeff, when's it gonna be my interview?
We're already doing your interview. All right, what are your qualifications?
Well, you've already got my resume, so I guess I'm hired.
Yeah, whatever. Just get out.
Yes, yes.
Stay tuned next time for Non-Fictional Science Fiction Season 2.